buckets, paper cups, trays, and boxes. These familiar disposable containers are often seen and used every day. These are an essential necessity for most businesses in today's fast-paced economy, which enables any individual to own. Therefore, it is no surprise that the demand for disposable containers would continue to skyrocket. But who knows what they're made of, where they are actually being produced, and how? This is KM Packaging, the #1 manufacturer of paper cups in Southeast Asia, the factory that can make more than 2.6 million paper cups each day. It all begins with trees. A paper cup is made from paper, and of course, papers are made from trees. The trees we use come from a man-made forest that was specially grown for industrial production and so does not cause any damage to the ecosystem. Having gone through the paper making process, large rolls of paper are sent to be stored in the factory. Before the manufacturing process can begin, all products must be carefully designed. We have various designs for clients to choose from in order to fulfill their specific needs. Once everything is set to go, the manufacturing process will begin. We have various methods of manufacturing, each suitable for different kinds of products. For this, we use roll printing. The roll printing process will begin by inserting a large roll of paper into a machine that can print up to 120 meters of paper per minute or produce up to 4,000 containers per minute. The express production is most effective for producing 1 million pieces or more. For a lesser amount, we use sheet printing, which differs from roll printing, wherein you insert a large roll of paper. In sheet printing, paper is pre-cut before being inserted into the machine. The ink used is a special kind of ink and is most suitable for mass production of food packaging, officially certified by local and international organizations from Japan, America, and Germany, to name a few. After they are printed, containers such as boxes and trays would go through a molding process that uses the same kind of ink and machine, guaranteeing that all products are free from contamination. The all too familiar paper cups are made from the molding machine, which is the fastest and most convenient method. Having loaded the paper in, each molding machine would produce more than 100 paper cups per minute. Once the manufacturing process is finished, the production must go through quality control before they can be packaged. All of the containers are then transported to the quality control mechanism where they are scanned for contamination, especially for dust particles that are unseen to the naked eye, and then separated. Then they are tested for leakage with a special liquid that was created specifically for the job, as it lets us see any leakage many times faster than with regular water. After having gone through all these processes, the products would be ready for packaging and delivery, and that's the story of the paper cup in your hand. Homemade businesses and franchises are now rapidly growing. Nowadays, it is possible for anyone to create a product with quality comparable to those of high-end franchises. It is completely possible to come up with a business of your own. But where should you start?
ที่บริษัท KM Packaging ของเรานั้นมุ่งเน้นการตอบสนองความต้องการของลูกค้าให้ได้มากที่สุดเราไม่เพียงผลิตถ้วยกระดาษหรือผลิตภัณฑ์ใช้แล้วทิ้งเท่านั้นแต่เรายังให้คำปรึกษาในการจัดหาอุปกรณ์ต่างๆที่สำคัญทั้งหมดเช่นเครื่องชงกาแฟเมล็ดกาแฟเราก็สามารถแนะนำได้เรียกได้ว่าหากคุณต้องการจะเปิดร้านสักร้านหนึ่งไม่ว่าจะเป็นเบเกอรี่หรือไอศครีมหรือกาแฟก็แค่มาหาเราเท่านั้น
At the present, disposable containers have become immersed with the eating style of our culture. With the ever-changing civilization comes the ever-growing demand for faster and more convenient ways to eat good food. Our technology has made it possible for anyone to start their own business without much hassle.
หากคุณคิดจะเปิดร้านของตัวเองสักร้านหนึ่งอะไรคือสิ่งที่คุณต้องการระหว่างจานชามภาชนะที่มาพร้อมกับค่าคนล้างจานค่าคนล้างทำความสะอาดหรือคุณอาจจะเลือกใช้ภาชนะที่ใช้แล้วทิ้งซึ่งประหยัดและสะดวกสบายกว่าสิ่งเหล่านี้บริษัทของเราสามารถที่จะแนะนำและตอบสนองความต้องการของคุณได้
It seems difficult to imagine a life without these disposable containers since they have become so integrated with our lifestyle. When we desire more speed and convenience, there will naturally be a greater demand for disposable products, thanks to KM Packaging for making our lives more efficient.